Hello! So this is a different video from the regular makeup tutorial. I think this is gonna be, well, no, it is gonna be my first like product review because I am obsessed, like obsessed with this Indian healing clay. It is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Healing Beauty Clay. And I'm obsessed with it. This is not my first time using it. I've been using it ever since the summer. I found out about it, I think through YouTube as well. But wow, like this thing is magical. So I have a lot of acne scars, and I feel like since I've used it, a lot of them have gone away. And I feel like this is the typical like face mask that they do in movies where like you can't move your face, because once you put it on, you cannot move your face. Like you feel stuck like this, but then once you take it off, your face feels amazing. Like there's no way to explain it. And today I had tap for 2 hours, tap dance class for 2 hours, and I sweat like a pig. And then after that I had a 4-hour class, so I basically sat and marinated in my sweat for 4 hours, and I was like, no, it's time for a face mask. So I figured might as well film it. I keep hitting this curtain. I figured might as well film it and share my love for this product with all of you. It's pretty easy to use. All the instructions are on the back, and it's funny because in huge red letters and capital letters it says, "Feel your face pulsate." And it's true, when you put it on, you feel your face pulsate. So what you do is you can mix it with apple cider vinegar or water. I like mixing it with apple cider vinegar. I've heard a lot of people say that if you mix it with water, the consistency is a little weird. But when you mix it with apple cider vinegar, I have had no issues with it. I love it. It's great. So I think so the bottle, I guess, the bottle says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes for sensitive skin and 15 to 20 minutes for like normal skin. But I find that usually I have sensitive skin, but I have to leave it on for like 30 minutes so that I feel like it's actually working. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. I just feel like when I leave it on for 30 minutes, it like actually does stuff. When I've left it for like 15 or 20, I feel like it just needs a little more, like nothing really happened. It's also good for cleaning out your pores and making them smaller. It's pretty easy. Oh, and with this product, a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna take this little bowl and I'm gonna put a tiny bit of powder into the bowl. You want to make sure that no metal comes into contact with it, because apparently if it does, then it like kind of undoes the properties of the actual product and it doesn't work as well. So I'm actually just going to take a little bit on the back of this spoon, because honestly this is all you need. So I'm going to take this much. Wow, this is brave. And I'm going to put it into this bowl, like so. See, it's literally only a tiny little bit. And then I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. To the bowl. Just a little bit. So I think I added too much apple cider vinegar, and I may have to add a little more powder, but that's okay. I'm going to use the back of the spoon to mix it all together. Yep, definitely need more powder. Oh yes, this is perfect. Honestly, it just depends on what kind of consistency you like it to be. I like it to be a little thicker, like so. So once you have that all mixed up, you're just going to put it on your face, like so. Oh, also I forgot to mention that I like I did wash my face before this, so make sure your face is all nice and clean before you apply this. So I'm just putting this all over my face. Of course, not getting it in my eyes nor in my mouth. Wow, for once, I used like the perfect amount. If you get a little bit on your hair, nothing will happen to it. It'll be fine. Obviously, that's not the goal, but if it happens, it happens. Once you get that on, set your timer. I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. You do whatever you want, whatever you feel. Maybe the first time, test it out with the amount of time that it says, and then if you feel like you need more, then do more. That's what I did. Start. So while we wait for this to harden, I want to talk to you a little bit about our plans. So if you have not heard, Fabi and I are planning to do photo shoots every month, and every month we'll have like tons of different looks, and then we'll post the pictures on Instagram and then show you guys the videos of how to get the look that were featured in the photo shoot. So our plan was to start all this in the month of May, but we are considering doing like a small little preview of what you can expect from these photo shoots in the month of April. So maybe instead, we're not going to go all out for this photo shoot since it's almost the end of April, but maybe we'll do like 2 to 3 looks in this photo shoot and then have videos on that, and this will be like the introduction to this whole photo shoot thing that Fabi and I want to introduce. I think it's going to be a really fun project for us to embark on, and I hope you guys all enjoy it as much as we will. But until then, oh, and if we do that, I already have the theme for that, and I'm very excited for it if it goes through. So we will let you know what's going down, if we do it or if we just wait till the month of May very shortly. Also, if we don't use the theme that I have in mind for April, then we'll just use it for another photo shoot and make it like even bigger. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, just keep on enjoying the videos. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. Of course, I'm going to show you like the hardened product. I'm just saying, like, while this hardens, might as well sit down and have a nice chat. Also, I'm going to cook dinner for a little bit, and then I'll be back to show you the finished product, and then I'll show you how to take it all off. So I am losing light, but as you can see, it is beginning to harden, and it's getting harder and harder for me to move my face. These are like the extent of the movements that I can do. Also, this mask is like super fun for a girls' night, and it actually works. Like, I feel my face right now being like, I feel all the dirt and the grossness being pulled out of my face right now as it hardens. I'll get back to you when it's hard completely. Okay, so I am back and my face is completely dry. I cannot move it. So I'm going to wash this off with some warm water. And yeah. I can't laugh right now, even though this is very funny. Okay. So, now that I have washed my face, you could see a little redness on my face. That is normal, that's supposed to happen. That's like your collagen working to renew whatever scars that you had on your skin. But my face feels amazing. Super soft, super smooth. It feels brand new, honestly. So if you want, you can add a moisturizer after this, because some people with dry skin say that the mask can be a little drying. But if not, just enjoy your face. The redness will go down, I promise. And when it does, maybe I'll film a little bit, or maybe not. It depends. Maybe I'll just put a picture. I might just put a picture. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me review this product, I guess, or show you how to use it, basically, because from the get-go I told you it was fantastic. And I don't do it very often, like I don't do it super often. I do it maybe twice a week, if that. I get lazy sometimes, but I think the ideal is twice a week. So if you do try this product, or if you haven't, let me know what you think about it, and just stay tuned. As always, our Instagram link is down below. Just click on it and follow us, and we'll keep you posted with anything new coming up. My face feels so good right now. Like, I just showered, and wow, like look at this. I'm practically glowing. I can barely see any scars or scarring. The redness has totally gone down. I just have naturally red cheeks. But I just feel brand new. Like, wow. Wow. I've used this mask like probably 8 times now, and it still surprises me.